and governs the heart. Okay. Heart is, I'll start drawing the larger picture of things also. General of the army. Liver has more functions than the brain itself. Okay. Heart, he is the wise old wazir. Okay. He is receiving information from the right kidney, which is the father, directly. Heart को information मिलता है. Heart interprets it and puts it raw data into deliverable data. Over here, pericardium governs directly to the brain. Okay. The brain is the naive little emperor who is only 13 years old, absolute brat, okay. Very addictive personality, loves sugar, loves alcohol, loves boozing, loves sex, loves tobacco, loves everything that is not good for the body. The brain is addicted. He is very, very naive. He is not matured. Most people are not matured. Okay. Most people age only physically. Okay. But the maturation, in general, my observation, 95% of the population I meet, maturation has stopped probably at the age of 13 to 16. Okay. उसके आगे mental aging नहीं हुआ है. Okay. It is the job of the wazir to train the new prince. Okay.